You kind of answered one of my questions, I think. I was going to ask, like, kind of what's a big misconception around the healing journey, and sometimes whether it's someone that's wanting it or someone that's trying to help someone else get there, that it's this. Sometimes I feel like there's this, like it's going to be perfect or it's going to be fast or it's all rainbows and sunshine. And from my personal experiences, it's quite messy and it takes, it's this long journey. I find. Is that what you have experienced or see in other people?
Yeah, I mean, that's what Earth is, right? It's like
Yeah.
that's this it's this place we come to learn lessons, and you can let it drag you, or you can be present and start accepting and allowing and working with. One big thing that I had to learn is that nobody's gonna come to save you.
Mm,
You're the savior. It's
mm,
like you want to what's the quote? It's like if you want to meet someone that was going to radically change your life, like look in the mirror,
yeah.
And so I had to learn. Like I have great mentors and friends now in this work, and they're all around me, and I'm helping clients as well, and so it's always kind of in the environment, um, and it is a journey,
Hmm.
but you have to putting your faith that the whole what you're looking for is safety, and so that comes down to trusting yourself
Sure.
and not chasing these big cathartic releases or putting all your faith in somebody else. If you're going to do that, do it for yourself. Put it in you.